We're at a stop. Alright. Alright, here we go. Oh, spinning. Oh, he's doing well. That new chip works good. Damn, boy. Hitting 100. Woo-hoo! Damn, boys. I can't tell you exactly what chip that is right now, but whatever he just bought turned his GT into a Mach 1. Hey, people behind us, 30 roll. Wonderful, 300 bucks, ladies and gents. Anybody with a GT, I suggest that.
Alright, well, what we're going to do to the Mach today is hopefully get this pinstripe, because Donovan does not like that at all. And also, he wants to repaint these wheels since they really have this, like, really bad lining right there. You guys probably can't tell, but it's not really straight. Plus, he does not like the chrome lip, so we're just going to paint these all the way matte black. That's going to be on all 4 of these. Hopefully we get this done. Are you going to leave that pinstripe right here on the side that says Mach 1?
Yeah, until I get the 2 hash marks that go here.
Oh, you want to see?
Just those so you have something to look at from the side. But for now, I don't like the hood stripe, honestly. I think it looks better without. I don't know. Plus it's chipped here. I don't know if it was like that. Honestly, I think I did that at the car wash. So, just not being careful of it, honestly, guys.
Well, I guess we're going to get started. And it's 520.
Yep.
520. And then I'm going to do my hood, the little hood scooper there. I'm going to paint that black in the back lip where his is. See ya.
Lucky I ain't in the Mach 1 right now.
Slow.
But yeah, this part right
We're going to paint that whole thing black. So it should stand out a little more, and hopefully we can get this stupid fish off.
Might have seen it there on the GT video, I believe, actually.
Oh yeah?
And there in the thumbnail you can see how it looks with it, but yeah, can't stand that little fishy.
Alright, but we are going to go ahead and start that, letting the garage warm up.
Maybe switch these around too.
Maybe,
so
you do have super glue. Alright, we're going to get started. Alright, time to get painting. It's sanded down and we put mineral spirit. It looks pretty clean, to be honest, just like that, you know?
It really does, though.
Like, really does. Alright, hopefully we don't use streaks, because obviously we're going to use rattle cans. Alright, time to hit some primer. See if we can hit this time lapse. Perfect. Alright, don't get your shot. Alright, that's one coat. Now we gotta wait another 10-15 minutes.
Yeah, just about.
Round number 2. round 2 over with. Back to his. Alright, now for the actual color. It's black, so it'll blend in just peachy. You're kind of in the shot.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, bam! Oh, man! Tell me what you guys think. I feel a little bit ridiculous.
Nah, man, that looks mean.
It feels like it's a knockoff Mach.
Nah, it's mean.
I don't know. Maybe with black wheels it'll look a little better, but...
Yeah, but when she's keeping up with the Machs, everybody else
I mean,
will eat it.
oh, don't do that! Oh, God, almost... Anywho, I think the next step is probably put a little grill thingy in there, maybe underdrive pulleys. You guys will know. I'll update you.
What? I didn't even realize you had one.
Yeah, put one of those in, dude. Come on now. But paint the wheels, and then I'll have the ducktail. What? No. And then I'll have a ducktail here, and then paint that insert on the back.
Can't really see it, but it's already been sanded.
Yeah, it's been sanded. But now we have to put Donovan's fucking UnderGlow. He wants to put UnderGlow. He's already got 3,000 lights on it. But I guess we're gonna go ahead and do that. So let's get this out and put the Mach in. Alright, UnderGlow time. Oh, wow. That stuff's kind of really bright. You can even see the car just fine. Well, that's with the UnderGlow on.
Oh, yeah, looking good.
No, and then here, lift the hood. Ready? We're lifting the hood. And then hit the switch.
Hold up.
Alright, hit the switch.
Hey!
He even put lights underneath, so if he ever needs to work on it in the dark.
Yeah, bro, look how dark it is out here. There's nothing you can't see in here.
That is really bright. Like, it's
that
extremely
is helpful
bright.
as hell, though.
You unplugged the LEDs.
Oh, did I?
Woo! Then he's got some inside, legit inside.
Yep.
I'm like,
Change color too, boy.
this guy needs to chill out. But we are pretty much done here. I might get one roller. It's getting late. I need to take a shower. I'm feeling nasty. Also, we got the hood. It kind of looks weird like that now. But there's a lot of places like that. Do you see that? That it just took the paint off so easily.
Broke my heart so hard, folks. Let me tell you.
But this is probably gonna wrap up the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, leave a like, subscribe if you're new, and the next thing you saw is probably the roller of this car. So peace out, guys. This is outside. Woo! It is super cold out here. Oh my god. Do you want to turn on the headlight ones?
My phone's dead.
Oh, is it?
Yeah,
There's some in the headlight as well. But hope you guys enjoyed the video. Leave a like if you did. Subscribe if you're new. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.